Alright, so there's the fit. We go in and change the tappet cover seals, the gasket. So we had to take all the intake manifold, all this intake filter stuff here, the battery, right? 8 spark plugs, 4 in the back, 4 in front. So the thing we're taking out is the battery. Alright, so battery out, we go and take out the air filter, throttle body, then we go in and take out the intake manifold. Right, so we're taking out, we're going to take out the lines, we're taking out this line, we're taking out this line for the brakes booster. Right, we'll disconnect this hose clamp here. We're coming out from the tappet cover breather. Right. Right, so now to take out the throttle body, 4 bolts, disconnecting this jack here. Right, so 1 bolt, 2 bolts, 3 bolts, 4 bolts. Right, taking out the connector for the map sensor as well, because all this look like it coming out with the throttle body. Right, throttle body out. Right, go in and see about taking off the intake manifold to access the tappet covers. Alright, intake manifold off. Right, taking out, they already take out the coil packs for the front set of spark plugs. Go in and take out the coil pack for the rear set of spark plugs, and then we can take off the tappet cover and change the seals. Right, so second set of coil packs out, first set, second set. Right, now we go in and start to remove the tappet cover. Right, tappet cover off. Right, go in and clean up them the edges there. Right, you see inside clean. Right. Go in and clean up the cover, clean up the outside here, and then look to put it back in. Alright, so there's the old gasket in the tappet cover. Right. So there's a new tappet cover gasket there. Right. And then we get some of the dowels for the bolts to change out these with these here. Right, surface for the mating surface for the tappet cover gasket clean. Right, new gasket in. Going on, put it in here now. Right. Went on nice, easy. Just a bolt to bolt up.